Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook fried eggs. To begin, gather your essentials for perfectly fried eggs. You will need 2 fresh eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil, a non-stick pan, and a sturdy spatula. Make sure your salt and pepper are also within easy reach. Having all your ingredients and tools prepared beforehand ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience, setting you up for success from the very start. Now let's get that pan ready. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat, which is crucial for even cooking. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil, allowing it to melt completely and spread across the pan. This gentle, consistent heat helps create a beautiful, even cook and prevents any sticking, ensuring your eggs slide right off. You're preparing the perfect foundation for delicious fried eggs. With your pan nicely heated, it's time for the eggs. Gently crack each egg directly into the pan, making sure the yolks stay whole and centered. Immediately reduce your heat to low. This lower temperature prevents the bottoms from crisping too quickly while the tops slowly set. Let them cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the whites to start firming up around the edges. Now let's achieve your perfect yolk. For over easy with a runny yolk, gently flip and cook for just 20 seconds. If you prefer over medium with a slightly set yolk, cook for 30 to 45 seconds after flipping. For a fully firm yolk, known as over hard, cook for 1 to 2 minutes after flipping. Your ideal fried egg is just a slight adjustment away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.